In an interview with Church of Uganda Family TV, Reverend Canon Professor Grace Lubaale of the Church of Resurrection Bugolobi and the newly elected 4th Bishop of Busoga Diocese highlighted that Uganda is home to 65 speech communities. He stressed that mutual respect and cultural appreciation are vital for fostering cohesion, collaboration, and cooperation among people.
In Uganda, we have 65 speech communities. So we deserve to respect them and respect each other because the culture promotes cohesion, working, and cooperation. Unfortunately, today there's what we call degeneration of culture. People are living their culture for the sake of European culture, which is not correct. You are both a Musoga who knows Rusoga, but who knows English. So you should know Rusoga and English. To promote English at the cost of Rusoga is disastrous. So to promote Western culture at the cost of African culture is disastrous. So the message was to remind all of us to promote our culture, love our culture, work together within our culture. That was the message of the day.
He urged followers to remain humble, treat others with dignity, and serve with integrity, emphasizing that any advancement or promotion comes only according to God's will.
When the Lord has promoted you, you are a headmaster, you are an MP, you are a bishop, you are an archbishop, you are a president, you are not exceptional. The Lord simply loves you, that among others you have been chosen. So the point is, treat people with humanity, treat humanity with humility, treat people with, serve them with justice, be faithful, be a good steward of the resources and the people entrusted to you, and do a good job. Because time will come, you leave that post. Leave the post with grace and send grace.
Venerable Reverend Emmanuel Kalagala, Vicar of the Church of the Resurrection Bugolobi, congratulated Grace Lubaale on his election, commending him for his dedicated service and significant contributions to the church community.
We are grateful for the election of one of us, the Bishop-elect for Busoga Diocese, the Reverend Canon Professor Grace Lubaale, who will be enthroned and consecrated on the 14th of December 2025 at Christ Cathedral, Bugembe, in Jinja. We at Bugolobi have organized a farewell for him. On the 30th of November, we'll be bidding farewell to him and his family, thanking God for the ministry he has done among us, and wishing him a fruitful ministry in the Diocese of Busoga.
Edith Tusubida, a member of the Church of the Resurrection Bugolobi, expressed gratitude to the Lord for his mercy on the newly elected bishop and praised his impactful ministry in Bugolobi.
I'm happy to be here to inform you that we are thankful of the Lord for the grace and mercy he has extended to the bishop-elect, whom we've been, by grace of God, working together here in Bugolobi, Church of the Resurrection. We thank the Lord so much for his ministry that has been advancing the grace of the Lord. And indeed, the grace of the Lord, by the grace of the Lord and by the acceptance of the grace of the Lord, he has been enabled to be selected or appointed the bishop, the newest bishop of the Busoga Diocese.
Several Christians, including Engineer Bategana Katuremo, joined in congratulating and expressing their appreciation to Reverend Canon Professor Grace Lubaale.
I want to thank God so much this day. It is just from our cultural Sunday, and Bishop-elect Reverend Professor Grace Lubaale has been impacting us about cultures. And one thing that has amazed me about this cultural Sunday, last year when we celebrated our cultural Sunday, it was interesting in this way that there was a course unit we were doing called Church in the Contemporary World. And when he taught about culture, that culture in totality.
Excited that he has been elevated to the position of Bishop-elect. And we are praying for him as he goes to Busoga, because he has been giving us a very good service here. He's an amiable, intelligent, simple, humble servant of God. And we expect that when he goes to Busoga Diocese, he will be an asset to that diocese.
We would like to extend our happiness to the bishop for Bishop-elect Reverend Canon Dr. Professor Grace Lubaale for his appointment and election as the Bishop of Busoga Diocese. It is such an honor because we've been with him here at Bugolobi Church of the Resurrection. He's such a profound leader. He's such a profound reverend. He preaches very, very wonderful sermons.